The rice with 20 vegetables. Once upon a time, in a small village, there lived a kind hearted woman named Sita. She loved cooking and was known for her delicious dishes. Her husband, Ramesh, was always proud of her and preserved her skills. One day, Sita had an idea. She wanted to make a special dish that no one had ever tasted before. She went to the market and bought all kinds of fresh vegetables: carrot, beans, cauliflower, cabbage, peas, tomato, onion, and many more. In total, she bought 20 different vegetables. Back at home, she carefully chopped each vegetable and mixed them with rice and spices. The aroma soon filled the entire house. Ramesh was amazed to see such a colorful dish. Wow, Sita, this smells heavenly. I can't wait to taste it, he said. When the rice was ready, Sita served it in a big plate. The dish looked bright and full of flavor. Ramesh took one bite and his eyes lit up. This is the best rice I have never eaten, he explained. Just then their neighbor Radha peeked through the door. She was curious about the smell. When she saw the canned pot full of vegetable rice, she asked Sita, "What is this magic recipe?" Sita smiled and replied, "This it's simple, Radha. When you put love and care into your cooking, when 20 vegetables can live together in harmony and make a wonderful dish." From that day on, everyone in the village wanted to taste Sita's rice with 20 vegetables. It became a symbol of unity, showing that just like the vegetables, people of different kind can come together and create something beautiful. Unity and love can make life more flavorful, just like vegetables make rice more delicious. Thank you for listening to today's magical story. If you enjoy it, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more adventures. See you in the next story. Until then, keep imagining, keep dreaming.